Our next chapter is triangles and angles. Okay. So first we will solve how to find angle sum property. So angle sum property of triangle is angle sum property of triangle is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Okay, so we have to prove this. Okay, given is triangle ABC. I am drawing here A, B, C, and it is construction. So it is angle 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. To prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Construction is XY is parallel to XY is parallel to BC. Okay. Now proof. Since XY is parallel to BC, so angle 1 equals to angle 4 and angle 3 equals to angle 5. So why is it so? Alternate interior angle. Okay. So now since 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to 180 degree, it is straight angle. Since angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. Straight angle. So angle 1 equals to 4, 3 equals to 5. So angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 2 equals to 180 degree. Okay, hence it is proved. See, in geometry, whatever you write, you have to give reason. So don't forget to give reason of anything. Now next theorem is, if the bisectors of triangle ABC and ACB of triangle ABC meet at O, then angle BOC equals to 90 degree plus half of A. Okay, so diagram is like this. B, C, A, O. Okay. These are bisectors. BO and OC are bisector of angle B and angle C. So these two angles are equal. It is angle 1, it is angle 1 and it is angle 2 and it is also angle 2. Okay. Now given bisectors of angle ABC and angle ACB meet at O. Okay. Now, to prove, we have to prove angle BOC equals to 90 degree plus A upon 2. Okay. Now start. Proof. So, in triangle BOC, okay, in triangle BOC, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle BOC equals to 180 degree. Now, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. So that is angle A plus twice of angle 1 plus twice of angle 2 equals to 180 degree. So I am taking common 2 common from these two and transposing this A to this side. Okay. So twice of angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 180 degree minus angle A. So angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 180 degree minus angle A upon 2. Okay. This 2 will transpose here. So value of angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to 90 degree minus angle A upon 2. Okay. We got value of angle 1 and angle 2. Now it was equation 1. Now we will substitute value of angle 1 and 2 in equation 1. Okay. So we will write by putting value of angle 1 plus angle 2 in equation 1. Okay. So value of these two is, so 90 minus angle A upon 2 plus BOC plus angle BOC equals to 180 degree. We have to find value of BOC. So angle BOC equals to 180 minus 90 plus angle A upon 2. So angle BOC equals to 90 plus angle A upon 2. We have proved it. So actually this sums comes in exam based on this theorem. Directly this theorem doesn't come, only sums. Now next question is, angles of triangle are in ascending order. If difference between two consecutive angle is 10, find all angles. Okay. So solution. Let one angle be x and difference between two consecutive angle is 10. So others will be x plus 10 consecutive. Consecutive means continuation, and x plus 10 plus 10, that is 20. Okay. So first angle is x degree, second is this, third is this. If they are arranged in ascending order, so x according to angle sum property. property, angle x plus angle x plus tan plus x plus 20 equals to 180 degree. Okay. So thrice of angle x plus 30 equals to 180 degree. Thrice of angle x equals to, we will transport it here, so it will become 150. Okay. So 150 degree. So angle x equals to 150 upon 3. So angle x is 50 degree. Okay. So our answer is 50, 60 and 70 degree. Okay. Now next question is, if one angle of triangle is equal to sum of other angles, other two angles, show it is right triangle. Suppose it is x, y and z. Okay. Means one angle is equal to sum of other two angle. Okay. So solution. Now in triangle XYZ, angle x plus y plus angle z equals to 180 degree according to angle sum property. Okay. Now angle z equals to x plus y. Since angle z equals to x plus y. Okay. It is given. So angle x plus angle y plus angle x plus angle y equals to 180 degree. We will put value of z in equation 1. So otherwise substitute. Okay. So 2x plus 2y. Twice of angle x plus twice of angle y equals to 180 degree. So 2 angle x plus angle y equals to 180 degree. So angle x plus angle y equals to 180 upon 2. So angle x plus angle y equals to 90 degree. Angle x plus y 90 degree. So according to angle sum property, z will also 90 degree. So I am writing here. So angle z equals to 90 degree. Hence it is right triangle. Thus triangle XYZ is right triangle. Okay. Now next question is, if bisectors of base angles of triangle encloses 135 degree. Bisectors of base angles encloses 135 degree. Proof triangle is right triangle. Okay. So BO and CO are bisectors. Okay. And earlier in same video I taught you about one theorem, that is angle BOC equals to 90 plus half of angle A. Okay. So solution is angle BOC equals to 90 plus angle A upon 2. Okay, it is theorem. BOC is 135 degree. Now put value 135 degree equals to 90 plus angle A upon 2. So it will substitute, it will transpose this side. So 45 degree equals to angle A upon 2. So angle A equals to 45 into 2. Angle A equals to 90 degree. Okay. Okay. You have to write here corollary of angle sum property. Okay. Now another way I am only explaining you. It is 135. These two BO and CO are bisector, means sum of these two angles. These two angles will be 45 degree. These are bisectors. So sum of angle B plus C will become 90 degree. If you don't remember this theorem, then sum of these two angles means whole angle will be 90 degree. So according to angle sum property, it will become 90 degree. Okay? Hence it is proved.